Welcome to a world where creativity meets technology, right here at WakeTech Community College in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, we're excited to take you inside our newest innovation, the WakeTech Makerspace. Our Makerspace, a vibrant hub for learning and creation, has been buzzing with activity over the past few months. The space is equipped with state-of-the-art tools like 3D printers, a glow-forged laser cutter, a versatile button maker, a professional-grade heat press, a large-format Canyon printer, and a vinyl cutter. Additionally, it features audiovisual recording tools like cameras and Yeti microphones, as well as sewing and embroidery machines, among other devices and gadgets. This space is designed for turning ideas into tangible creations. From intricate 3D models that challenge the bounds of design, to custom-crafted apparel that blends art and fashion, our community has been busy bringing their visions to life. Each creation here is not just an object, but a testament to the imagination and ingenuity of our students and staff. At WakeTech's Makerspace, our mission extends beyond mere creation. We aim to popularize access to new technologies, inviting individuals from all walks of life to explore, learn, and innovate. It's a place where diversity fuels creativity, and where everyone, regardless of their background, is encouraged to think outside the box. This dynamic space is more than just a collection of tools. It's a community where collaboration and learning go hand in hand. Here, ideas are shared, challenges are tackled collaboratively, and new skills are honed daily, paving the way for future innovators and problem solvers. We invite you, whether you're a student, a faculty member, or a staff member, to join us in this journey of discovery and creation. The Makerspace is not just a facility, it's a launchpad for your creativity and ambitions. Step into the world of making at WakeTech Community College. Discover, design, and create something extraordinary today. Join us at the Makerspace, where your ideas have no limits. Thank you for being part of this exciting adventure at WakeTech. We can't wait to see what you create next. Visit us at the North Campus in the Library Building F, lower floor, room 153. And remember, it is completely free of charge. See you there!